Are you looking to save money and live a frugal lifestyle and become a frugal money saver? In today's world, it's more crucial than ever to make your money stretch further, and frugality is the key. We're not talking about pinching pennies, but rather making smart, informed decisions that allow for a comfortable lifestyle without breaking the bank. Living frugally doesn't mean sacrificing happiness. It's all about balance and a touch of creativity. So, ready to embrace your inner frugal money saver? Stay tuned to discover 11 practical tips to help you become a frugal money saver. Tip number 1, create a budget. Now I know what you're thinking. Budgets are boring. But believe it or not, these nifty financial tools are the unsung heroes of the frugal living world. They're your roadmap to savings, your blueprint for financial freedom, and your ticket to a worry-free lifestyle. A well-crafted budget isn't about restricting your spending. It's about understanding where your hard-earned money is going and making informed decisions about what's essential and what's not. It acts as a mirror, reflecting your spending habits, and sometimes the image can be quite surprising. A budget helps you track your income and expenses. It pinpoints those sneaky, unnecessary expenditures that creep into your monthly outgoings. It's like a financial detective, uncovering the clues to where your money is disappearing. Once you've identified these money leeches, you can start allocating funds for savings. Think of these savings as your personal wealth-building machine, working tirelessly to secure your future. So let's bid adieu to financial stress and welcome the peace and tranquility that comes with a well-planned budget. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. Moving on to tip 2, cook at home. It's not just about saving money, although that's a big part of it. Yes, cooking at home can significantly cut down on food expenses, but the benefits go beyond your wallet. Think about your health. When you cook, you're in control. You decide what goes into your meals, allowing you to make healthier choices and avoid the hidden sugars and salts that can be found in takeout or restaurant meals. And let's not forget about the joy of learning a new skill. Cooking can be a lot of fun. It's a chance to experiment, to be creative, to make something with your own hands that you can be proud of. And the best part? You get to eat your creations. So don't think of cooking at home as a chore. Think of it as an opportunity. An opportunity to save money, yes, but also an opportunity to improve your health, to learn something new, to express your creativity. So why not try swapping some restaurant meals for home-cooked ones? Tip number 3, make use of coupons and discounts. Now this might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised at how many people overlook this simple way to save. Coupons and discounts are virtually everywhere, in your local newspaper, on online coupon websites, and even in flyers from your favorite stores. They are not just for the penny pinchers, but for anyone looking to save some money. Think about it. If a coupon offers a 20% discount, that's like getting a fifth of the price knocked off. And who wouldn't want that? It's like a game. The more you play, the more you save. But here's a pro tip. Don't just use coupons randomly. Be strategic. Use them for things you regularly buy or need. That way you're not spending extra money on things you don't really need, but saving on what you would normally buy. Remember, every penny saved adds up. It might not seem like a lot in the moment, but over time, these savings can make a significant difference in your budget. Our 4th tip, avoid impulse buying. We've all been there, standing in line at the store, our eyes wandering to the colorful displays of candy bars, magazines, and small gadgets. Before we know it, we've added several items to our cart that we didn't plan on buying. This is impulse buying, and it's a quick way to derail our budget. These unplanned purchases might seem small in the moment, but they can quickly add up, eating into our savings. So how do we resist this temptation? The answer is simple. Make a shopping list and stick to it. By planning our purchases ahead of time, we can ensure we're only buying what we truly need. It's also a good idea to give ourselves a cooling-off period for larger purchases. By waiting a day or two, we can determine if we really need the item or if it's just an impulsive want. Remember, control your spending, don't let it control you. Tip number 5, shop at thrift stores. We've all heard the saying, one man's trash is another man's treasure, and nowhere does this ring truer than in a thrift store. These stores are the ultimate treasure troves where you can find everything from vintage clothing to rare books, all at a fraction of their original cost. Not only are you saving money, but you're also giving these items a second chance at life, promoting sustainability. Thrift stores are also a fantastic place to find unique and quirky items that can add a touch of personality to your home or wardrobe. So next time you need something, why not try your local thrift store before heading to a regular retail outlet? It's all about being a frugal money saver without compromising on style or quality. Remember, secondhand doesn't mean second best. Moving on to tip number 6, reduce your utility bills. Now this might sound daunting, but it's all about making small changes that add up over time. Let's start with water. Shortening your shower by just a few minutes can save hundreds of gallons a month. Fixing that leaky faucet? It's not just annoying, it's also a money drain. Next, let's talk about electricity. Unplugging electronics when they're not in use, switching to LED bulbs, and using power strips to turn off multiple devices at once can all significantly lower your electric bill. And don't forget about your appliances. Regular maintenance like cleaning your dryer's lint trap and defrosting your freezer can boost their efficiency and slash those energy costs. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself. It's about being smart and mindful about your usage. Small changes can lead to big savings. Tip number 7, review your subscriptions and memberships. Let's dive into the world of subscriptions and memberships. They're everywhere, aren't they? From your favorite music streaming service to that gym membership you swore you'd use. But have you ever stopped to consider how much you're spending on these each month? You'd be surprised at how quickly they add up. The key is to regularly review these. Take a moment, sit down, and go through them one by one. Ask yourself, am I really using this service enough to justify the cost? If the answer is no, then it's time to say goodbye. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to saving money. And those savings could be better spent on something you truly enjoy or even tucked away for a rainy day. So be a frugal money saver and review those subscriptions and memberships. Only pay for what you truly use and enjoy. Tip number 8, consider alternative modes of transportation. We're living in a world where the choices for getting from point A to point B are more varied and eco-friendly than ever before. And guess what? Many of these options can save you a pretty penny. Let's talk about public transportation first. Buses, trams, and trains can often take you where you need to go for a fraction of the cost of owning and operating a car. Then there's carpooling. Sharing a ride with colleagues or friends not only divides the cost, but it also reduces the number of cars on the roads, helping to lower traffic congestion. You might even meet new people and make some friends along the way. And let's not forget about biking or walking. If your destination is within a reasonable distance, why not turn your commute into a workout? It's a win-win situation. You save on fuel and parking fees, and you get some exercise at the same time. Remember, every little bit counts, so consider these alternative modes of transportation. Save money and the environment too. Our 9th tip, learn basic repairs and maintenance. This is a fantastic way to keep your hard-earned cash in your pocket. Think about it. The cost of hiring a professional for a minor repair or routine maintenance can quickly add up. However, by acquiring some basic skills, you can perform many of these tasks yourself. From fixing a leaky faucet to patching up a hole in the wall, these skills are not as daunting as they may seem. There are countless resources available online that can guide you through these processes step by step. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you do it, the better you'll get. This isn't just about saving money either. It's also about knowing your home or your vehicle inside out, understanding how things work, and gaining the confidence to tackle issues as they arise. So, roll up your sleeves, equip yourself with some basic tools, and start learning. As the old saying goes, being handy can be handy for your wallet. Tip number 10, manage your credit card debt. Now this might sound a little daunting, but trust me, it's a crucial part of becoming a frugal money saver. Credit cards can be a great tool, but if not managed properly, they can lead to high interest charges that can quickly accumulate. So how do we manage this? Firstly, always aim to pay more than the minimum payment. This helps reduce the overall amount you owe and can save you a substantial amount in interest charges. If you're only paying the minimum, you're just barely covering the interest, and your debt isn't really going down. So, even if it's a little over the minimum, every extra bit helps. Secondly, make your payments on time. Missing payments can lead to late fees and can even increase your interest rate. Setting up automatic payments can be a great way to ensure you never miss a due date. Remember, the best way to save money is not to lose it. And finally, tip number 11, compare prices before making purchases. This is your key to unlocking the best deals out there. It's like setting yourself on a treasure hunt, where the treasure is the satisfaction of knowing you got the best bang for your buck. So, there you have it. 11 simple yet effective tips that can help turn you into a frugal money saver. From setting a budget to cooking at home, using discounts, avoiding impulse buying, shopping at thrift stores, reducing utility bills, reviewing subscriptions, considering alternative transport, learning basic repairs, managing credit card debt, and finally, comparing prices. Start implementing these tips today and watch your savings grow. Thanks for watching the whole way through. It means a lot to us. If you have got questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section and also like this video. This helps let YouTube know that people are interested in this video, and they will show it to more people. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos on how to save money and live frugal. Thanks again, your support means the world to us. Until the next video.